Differentiate y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x minus 2 all squared using the quotient rule. So we've got y is x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x minus 2 all squared. This is type yu divided by v. U is a function of x, v is a function of x. So if we let u be equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12, du by dx is going to be 2x plus 4. And if we let v be x minus 2 all squared, if we differentiate this, dv by dx using the chain rule, we're going to bring down that 2, write down the bracket x minus 2, and differentiate the bracket. It's a good idea to still differentiate the bracket even though it's 1, because that's what you're actually supposed to do in the chain rule, and sometimes you might forget to do that. So that just gives me 2x minus 2. Using the quotient rule, so it's v du by dx minus u dv by dx all over v squared. So that's going to be v, which is x minus 2 squared, times du by dx, which is going to be 2x plus 4, minus u, in brackets, x squared plus 4x minus 12. I can't stress the importance of using brackets here, times dv by dx, which is going to be 2 brackets x minus 2, or sorry, 2 times x minus 2. Now it's going to be over v squared, so it's going to be over x minus 2 squared squared. Right, writing that out again. And now we've got a common factor of 2. There is a common factor 2. It comes from here. And there's a common factor here of 2. There's also a common factor of x minus 2. And we're now going to be left with an x plus 2 here because we've taken a 2 out. Now this is where we have to be careful. This bit's gone, but now we have to be careful. We're going to have minus x squared minus 4x plus 12 when we take that minus sign into that bracket. All over x minus 2 now to the power of 4. The rule of indices is you multiply the powers. Now obviously an x minus 2 and an x minus 2 will cancel. So we now just got power of 3. So we now have 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 is x squared minus 4. Minus x squared plus so it's minus x squared minus 4x plus 12 over x minus 2 cubed. So the x squared will cancel out, and therefore we're going to be left with 8 minus 4 plus 12 minus 4x over x minus 2 all cubed. Now the common factor here, if we take out a common factor of minus 4, we're going to get minus 8 x minus 2 over x minus 2 cubed, which gives a final answer of minus 8 over x minus 2, because these will cancel out over x minus 2 squared as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to use the quotient rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.